learning, cause I show you how. Looking at me like you want my man.